Dear students, this is the syllabus of BSc second year and semester 3rd. Subject Zoology, whose course code is B050301T and course title is Molecular Biology, Bioinstrumentation and Biotechnique, whose first unit is Process of Transcription, and subtopics you can note down by pausing the video. And second unit is Process of Translation, and third unit is Regulation of Gene Expression first, and fourth unit is Regulation of Gene Expression second, and fifth unit is Principle and Types of Microscopes, and sixth unit is Centrifugation and Chromatography, and seventh unit is Spectrophotometry and Biochemical Techniques, and eighth unit is Molecular Techniques. So dear students, if you want to explanation of the syllabus, understanding the syllabus in detail, then you can comment below. I will try to explain the syllabus in detail. A lots of thanks for watching my video from deepest part of my heart.